But now let's talk about Arteta. He has changed the game. Like he came in January. It's not been a long time though. But
December.
this December. All right, December. My bad. He came in December, and it has not been that long in the club, and he like even after this pandemic situation, even after things were unsettled, he got his first silverware. And as a manager in 2020, and as a player in 2014. So how do you see him progress in the Arsenal squad as the manager, and maybe a long-term replacement for Wenger?
Yeah, because if you remember when he came as a football manager, but he had to deal a lot of things in the club other than football. There was a big discontent in the dressing room. There was a miscommunication between the fans, the players, the boards, the Zaka situations, the Ozil situation. What everything possibly could have gone wrong, went wrong for us in the later part of 2K19, but he managed it pretty well. I mean, when he came in, as far as I remember, we were just 5 points off relegation, sitting in the 11th spot. And look where we finished. We just finished 8th, but we are a threat to even the top teams out there. I mean, he's the only manager who defeated Klopp, Pep, and Frank in a single season. So it itself his, I mean, the result speaks for the man. And coming to the long term replacement, yes, he's a long term replacement, and we need to, as we as fans, needs to be patient on him, and he needs to be backed. Because if the cash inflow comes in this summer, in the next 3 weeks, and what I want from the board is not just rush into the transfer window just like Chelsea did, and you can see the end result in here. Like, you need to be sorted, like what all we need to first sort out what the situation of players that are in the Arsenal team right now. There are situations with Oba, Ceballos, Ainsley, and many more. There are as well as many deadwoods. We need to sadly get rid of them and get in place where they're needed actually. So let's see if we can get in the cash and get the right players, because we all know that Arteta has his own style, and which is not copied from Pep. So to influence that, he need the right players in the right slot. So